Hey guys, I'm showing you this Allswifit men slip-on comfortable walking shoes, the running, tennis, athletic gym, workout cross-training sneakers. So let's just open the box. You can see it here, the shoes itself is a thick sole, a comfortable top, the mesh top fabric, so easy to put on as a shoe and the laces you can adjust from the top. In the sidewise you can see so a responsive EVA midsole and easy to wear with this thick sole is more comfortable. 3D textured design and a reinforced heel. Of course, like you have a comfortable thick insole as well, so you can feel on the shoe. And the other thing is like see in the middle, like this have this tarsal one, so it's helpful and make things comfortable. So let's put on these shoes. And yeah, the first impression is a very comfortable and soft in sole, and then also the quality and looks really nice and comfortable, so a good running shoe.